Welcome to the video tutorial of our annual workout tracker. If you purchase this product, you will get an access link to both the Google Sheets and the Microsoft Excel version of the spreadsheet. In this tutorial, I am using the Excel version. The Google Sheets version is almost exactly the same, however, there are a few differences that I will show you later in this video. So when you open the Excel version for the first time, you may get this security message on the top of your screen. This is because the spreadsheet contains some macros, and these macros are really important for the spreadsheet to work properly. So if you see this message, do not start using your spreadsheet yet. You have to enable the macros first. And to enable the macros, simply follow these steps, then reopen the file, and then you should be good to go. The Google Sheets version will not have this problem. Once the macros are enabled, the next thing to do is to set up your calendar. You can enter any starting year here, and you can select any month from the drop-down menu. For now, I'm going to leave it on January. After that, you can choose on which day you want your calendar to start. So it's usually either Monday or Sunday. I'm going to leave it on Sunday here. Once the calendar is set up, you can start setting up your list of sport activities. This spreadsheet isn't just meant to track your standard gym workouts, but you can track any sport activity you do with it. So if you like going to yoga classes or spinning classes, or if you like skating or swimming, any sport activity you want to track, you can put it in this table. However, this table in the Excel version is a very sensitive table, so before you add any sport activities, there are a few things to keep in mind. First of all, do not insert any rows in here. Also, do not copy-paste any data from another spreadsheet to this table, and please also avoid copy-pasting data within the table, so do not select cells and copy-paste it here. This is because it can sometimes make the Excel application crash and some formulas to malfunction on the next sheet. So if you want to add some extra sport activities, the proper way to do it is to go to the first empty cell of the table, double-click on it, type your sport activity, and then press Enter. You can add up to 30 sport activities to this list, and you can also overwrite the existing options here. Now, if you want to delete a sport activity, go ahead and delete it. But in the Excel version, you may also want to adjust the size of the table. And to do that, go to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a back and forth arrow appear, and from there, gently adjust the size of the table to the last entry. In the Google Sheets version of the spreadsheet, this part is a little bit easier. You do not need to adjust the size of the table when you delete an entry. You can simply add or delete entries in this table as you wish. Once you're happy with the list, you can head over to the first monthly tab to start logging your workouts. There are 13 tabs in this spreadsheet where you can log your workouts, each tab containing 4 weeks. The start day will be the first of the selected month in the Instructions tab, so in this case, the 1st of January 2024, which happens to be a Monday. If you want your monthly tab to start with a different day, you could override this formula here and enter a different start day. For example, if I want my monthly tab to start with a Sunday, I could type 31st of December 2023 because that was a Sunday. However, keep in mind that this spreadsheet will analyze your data in the Analytics tab, but it will only analyze the data that falls within the range of your calendar. And since our calendar will start on the 1st of January 2024, if you log a workout prior to that date, that will not be included in your analytics. So if I would log a workout for the 31st of December 2023, then that workout wouldn't appear in my analytics. Therefore, I would suggest that if you decide to override this date, then enter a date that is just a few days before or after your calendar start day. And remember that if you log a workout for a day that doesn't appear in the calendar, then that workout will not be included in the analytics. Now let's see how to actually log a workout. For each day, you have the possibility to select 3 sport activities from the list that we created. You can select them from the drop-down menus in the yellow, blue, and green cells here. So let's say that I was very active on the 1st of January. I did a lower body session, then I went for running, and I also went to a yoga class. Of course, if you have just done one workout on a day, then select your workout from the first drop-down menu and leave the other 2 drop-downs blank, like in this example. Under each sport activity, type the duration of your workout in minutes. So let's say that my lower body session lasted 2 hours, then I would type the number 120 and press enter. Then I run for 30 minutes, and my yoga class lasted 45 minutes. When you enter the duration for a workout, only type a number here and then press enter. Do not type any words after it. This will be very important for the spreadsheet to correctly analyze your data in the Analytics tab. So if you check the formula bar here on the top, it should only contain a number and no words after it. After that, if you wish, you can type some more details about your workout. So for example, if you went to the gym, then you can type the exercises you did, the number of sets, the number of reps, and also some details about your cardio sessions. So this is how you would fill out the monthly tabs. And now let's check out our calendar. The calendar tab is fully automated. You don't have to modify anything here. In fact, if you would try to modify a workout here, then you would get this error message because you're not supposed to touch these cells. It pulls the data from the monthly tabs. So if you want to modify or delete a workout, then go back to the corresponding monthly tab and you can unselect your workout from this drop-down menu. And that way, it will disappear from the calendar as well. But one thing you can do in the calendar is to schedule your workouts. Before each workout, there is some free space, so if you wish, you can enter the starting time here. For example, I want to do a lower body session at 10 a.m., then go for a run at noon, and go to a yoga class at 6 p.m. Of course, this part is just optional. You can leave it blank if you wish. One difference between the Google Sheets and the Excel version are the colors. So let me show you the Google Sheets version. As you can see, all your workouts will be color-coded, but the colors assigned to a workout in the Google Sheets and in the Excel version will be slightly different. This is because the Excel version has some gradient fill effects like this, but as of today, this formatting option is not available in Google Sheets. Also, if you are doing a lot of sport activities, the Excel version will color code all of them, up to 30, but in the Google Sheets version, only the first 15 sport activities will be color coded. So that's all about the calendar, and now let me show you the analytics. In this tab, you will find two charts. A bar chart that will show you how many times you have performed each of your sport activity by month, and a pie chart that will sum up the duration of your sport activities for the same period. In the Excel version, you can filter the data with the slicer on the left. With the multi-select button, you can control whether you want to see your data for just 1 month, or if you click on it again, you can select multiple months to check out your quarterly or yearly analytics. In the Google Sheets version, this works a little bit differently. You will not find any slicers here. Instead, you will find a drop-down menu where you can filter the data by month, or you can select all to check out the whole year. Finally, the last tab we are going to take a look at is the weight loss tracker. The weight loss tracker is available in both imperial and metric units. Just select your gender here, your unit weight, and unit height. Then enter your starting weight and your height. And then enter your goal weight here on the top. Your current weight, your weight loss, and your BMI index will be automatically calculated, so do not modify these cells. After that, you can start tracking your weight progress. Just enter the date here and your current weight. The Google Sheets version works exactly the same way. The only difference is that you don't need to type the date. Just double-click in the cell and select the date from the calendar here. So that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching it. I wish you all good luck with your fitness journey.